We will be critiquing the article titled Offshore Renewable Energy Synergy with Marine Industries, a review of challenges and opportunities, authored by Kumar, Balisampang, Arzagi, Garania, Abbasi, and Salihi in 2023. Let's go into the key points of the article and provide a thoughtful critique. The article under explores renewable energy sources and their potential in mitigating environmental concerns associated with traditional energy sources. It emphasized the importance of renewable energy as a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative. The research question posed in the article is whether renewable energy sources can significantly reduce environmental concerns linked to the traditional energy sources. The hypothesis suggests that the renewable energy sources, particularly solar energy, followed by wind, hydro, and geothermal energy, have the potential to replace traditional energy sources and effectively address environmental concerns. The article presents a systematic review of renewable energy sources' potential in tackling environmental concerns tied to conventional energy sources. The key point of the study is that the solar energy holds the highest potential to replace traditional energy sources, with wind, hydro, and geothermal energy following suit. The article highlights the importance of conducting a comprehensive analysis of environmental impacts to ensure a sustainable and eco-friendly energy in the future. However, there are some limitations in the article. Firstly, it lacks an in-depth exploration of implementation challenge in integrating offshore renewable energy with marine industries. This leaves room for a more thorough understanding of the practical hurdles in such synergy. Secondly, potential environmental concerns related to renewable energy technology production and disposal have been overlooked, warranting further investigation. Based on the findings, we can propose the following suggestions. Firstly, it is crucial to prioritize renewable energy adoption to make the most of their environmental benefits. Secondly, offering incentive can encourage greater uptake of renewable energy sources, helping to accelerate the transition. Lastly, investing in research and development will enable us to overcome challenge and optimize the integration of offshore renewable energy with marine industries. For the author's conclusion, the authors assert the renewable energy sources indeed have the potential to significantly reduce environmental concerns associated with traditional energy sources. This conclusion aligns with the hypothesis stated earlier.
So now, we will get into the critique element parts. For the introduction part of the article, there are some critiques that can be made. Firstly, the purpose of the study is not explicitly stated in the text. Based on the information provided, it can be inferred that the purpose of the study is to analyze the opportunities and challenges of integrating green hydrogen with offshore industries for a safe and sustainable hydrogen economy. Secondly, based on the text, it is not clear whether the ideas presented in the study are original or not. However, the study is described as comprehensive review. On the other hand, good side from the introduction part of the article is that relevant background information has been provided. It provides an overview of the status of offshore industries, including renewables, in terms of energy demand and the significance of green hydrogen in their sustainable growth. It also analyzed the benefits and limitations of integrating offshore renewable energies systems with different offshore sectors. The article also highlights the need for a comprehensive framework for green hydrogen production, supply system design, and process operation.
The method that should be used in order to collect data in integrating offshore renewable energy system is online approach. For example, the researcher can distribute the survey to the companies that involved in offshore industries. Not only that, the researcher also can attend the online forum and communities among offshore companies to know about the registration. However, in this article, the researcher stated that there are no data available was used for the research described in the article. The uncertainty of getting info about the research topic shows that the procedure and measurement that had been done was improperly. Besides, the lack of info will make it hard in evaluating the integrating offshore renewable energy system, whether it is good or bad for the future. So, it is good for taking the researcher as an example in collecting data for other studies.
Okay, so for the next creative element, which is for the result part, The article summarized the opportunities and difficulties of combining offshore businesses with the production of green hydrogen. As a result, it does not contain original study findings and cannot be used to determine if the author got the predicted results or whether all the controls are followed. So next, the article makes no assumption as this is the review paper that summarized previous research. However, this paper do provide a comprehensive review of the advantages and challenges of integrating offshore renewable energy system with the aquaculture, shipping and port, and oil and gas businesses. The tables and figures in the article I will explain and provide important data that support the author's claim. And the last one is article's main findings are concise and straightforward to understand. The main conclusions are generally supported by the literature study and offer helpful information about the possibilities of producing green hydrogen for the offshore industry.
So, last but not least, for the conclusion, the article provides insightful information on how green hydrogen might be integrated with offshore sectors and how it might help advance sustainability in the maritime shipping industry. Also, the article could be possibly improved in certain areas, and the article makes a significant contribution to the fields of offshore industry and sustainable energy.